Hello guys!
Welcome back to our channel guys!
Yes! So, ngayong araw na ito ay pupunta na naman kami sa dumpster ng Galena. Pero kahapon nagpunta kami doon, wala kami nakita na wildlife. Ay may mga life pero hindi wild.
So samahan nyo kami! Kasama pala natin si Miss Susime.
May saya sa damdamin.
At si Miss Hindi Sir Hi.
I happen to be. Kapisan mo ko ba nila? Si Maria siguro yan.
Ba? Hindi.
Na yung summer mailing address natin, di ba? Ano yun?
Are.
Bahala na yan eh. Ano lang ba ang pwede ano doon, ma-deliver yung mga stops?
Oo.
Ay, kailangan natin yung pera.
Ay, magka-hunting tayo ng black bear.
Sa Pinas, yung payroll parang mga golden.
Oo.
Para sa
Kahapon galing din tayo doon. Hindi tayo nakakita. Layo rin pala inabot natin. Ayun no, layo pala nun. Nakarating kami dyan eh. Doon tayo nakarating. Lampas ko dyan. Yung dumpster doon pa, sa kabila.
back again, and I need to stay. And I'll never fall in love until I found her. So kanina guys, kanina umaga, I woke up like this. Hindi na ako nakaligo. Tapos hindi na ako nakaligo pero nakapag-book na ako pauwi ng Pinas. Ewan ko ba?
O meron naman dyan.
One bakining. Ito ako.
Ay, so ito yung lugar ng Galena. Parang kakao yan. Tsaka makakita ng moose, black bear, brown bear, di ba?
Yeah. Correct. Yun. Yeah.
Yeah. So babalik tayo. Susunduin natin sila. Maria.
Sorry for all the
Tagal namin sa... Ayan. So sa tagal namin dito sa mag-1 year na kami dito sa Galena. Ngayon na kami nakalabas dito sa sa village. At doon sa basurahan pa. Straight tayo. So ayan ang view ng
So we couldn't
Galena, napakaganda. Ganda sa Pati yung ulap. Yes. Ayan. Then also Gerald is there. Say hi the vlog. Siyempre, di mawawala yan. Si Raymond Queen.
Yan ba yung Denali?
No, not Denali though. Yeah, this is Gabe. Say hi, Gabe.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog. So, dito na tayo. beavers here too.
Yeah, we saw lots of beavers.
Kill it.
Dad,
Oh.
hunger and loneliness.
Oh. Ah, that's why they said that my loneliness is killing me.
Hey now,
So believe
with you, I'll lose my mind.
give me a sign.
Hit me, baby, one more time. Anong meron dito?
Covering your ears.
The only beaver I wanna see right now is Justin.
Walang ano, moose ha. Dito ba natin nakita yung mga moose? Sa kabila.
Allah.
Don't you remember she gave you a lot of juice? The red.
Ay, baka meron.
I want to They cannot live here. Snake?
There's no snake
Yeah.
here.
They went overseas too.
Okay.
Well ducks.
So they are snake.
Then, ayun yung moose.
Yeah,
Moose is 3?
there is a moose.
It's only 2.
Two moves.
Ayan, moose. Bawal silang lapitan. Kasi nanunuwag mga yan. Yeah.
Don't step on the bread.
So, ayun sila. Doon. May dalawang moose doon na nakatayo. Bawal lapitan yan sila kasi nanunuwag sila. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan siya. Wow. Hey, Gabe!
How it is.
Tsaka mo nga.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's so nice. Hi guys. So we are in another part of Galena, which we find it really beautiful. So as you can see, a while ago there was a moose. Yes. And then look at here, like. So, before, para sa calendar lang namin to nakikita or sa video. Sabi pala, sinarado ni Romeo. Sure ka lang?
Ah, ano lang po?
Sirain nyo lang.
Hello? Hello? Jack Rose.
Ay, baka dyan lang din yan sila.
There's a dam under there.
Dam?
Dam.
Yeah, it's bigger now.
Look at that beaver trail.
Where?
Right there, beaver trail.
The what?
Ah, yeah.
Oh.
Wow, also this one, that area.
Oh, yeah, these are them.
Yeah.
Look at that beaver house right there. It's so big.
Ah, that one. Yeah.
You could
Ito
just
yung bahay ng ano mga
So
beaver.
beaver dam
Yeah.
is different from beaver house.
Yeah,
beaver
that
dam
one.
is like
They're making their own
A
village.
dam, yeah.
Sila yung nag-ano ng kahoy, nag-iipon-ipon ng kahoy, oo. Sila nga yung panandaga
Ang ganda ng engineering sa ilalim niyan. Grabe talaga. Tatalino nila ba?
Ha?
It's like a shark.
Ano yan sa ilalim?
There's no shark in the
If you go
water.
like, if you drive your snowboard across like lake, and if you're by the dam, it's really dangerous.
Why?
Because the ice by the dam is like so thin, you might like people like there's like a couple people here died from that.
Wow. Ano, not wow, but...
Ayun o, hinipon ng mga ano.
You know Mr. Whiteman?
I know myself.
Mr. Whiteman.
Oh, Whiteman?
Yeah. So me, I mean not there. He's like the house.
Whiteman.
Ganda ng ano view. Lahat is green na pero pagka winter is puti. Lahat ng makikita mo rito sa area na yan.
Yeah.
Diyan ba yun?
But possible to have a brown bear.
There's brown bear, black bear.
Possible now?
Oh, wild dog.
You might possibly see them.
Oh yeah, well done. Ganda oh. Parado mo nga sa konti. Ang ganda. Ganda. Ayan. Ito yung view sa Galena. Ayan, ganda. Yung ganda. So beautiful. Oh, ito ang ganda dyan. Oh, dito ko kumuha ng picture. Ang ganda po ng Galena. So beautiful country. Yan. So, andito tayo sa malapit sa dam side. Ganda.
Tapos na?
Ha? Naiiyak ko.
Let's do the dance over that sand dunes.
Yes.
It's okay, good.
Dito tayo nakakita ng ano? Dito. River.
So I heard him wrong. Because he said you're gone too far. Not too far. No, not that far. We're still in Galena.
Ayun ang bundok, guys.
Did we go there?
Yeah, turn right.
Turn right?
Yeah.
Is it for sand dunes?
This is sand dunes.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are here. Wow!
Dito tayo galing kahapon.
Turn left and walk up.
Ayun o, tapos ako kumuha ng picture dito sa taas. Here?
Where? This side?
Kaya ba?
Just stop right here.
Stop right here.
Ayan, pakit tayo, guys.
So we also have sand dunes here.
Sand dunes, yeah.
Pagod.
Lapit kaming ma-stuck, guys.
Yeah.
Stuck on you.
Get this feeling down deep in your soul that
I just can't do.
use. Yes, I'm on
I'm on my way.
Wow! Meeting a friend.
It's been a long time. Ay, ibang kanta.
Oh no! Oh no! Run! No! No! Oh no! Just... No!
Dito kaya nag-selfie.
Maybe we got stuck in there. Because they... That is so soft. I could tell.
So bakit nagkasanto dito? Like millions of years ago?
Oh! It's so beautiful!
Sign bright.
Let's make TikTok.
There's Galena.
Doon tayo galing ba? Dito maganda mag-picture.
Yan yung Galena, guys. Tapos yun yung Nome. Ay, charot.
Meron lang pala picture. Picture ta.
Picture ta. See more views.
So nice. Magandang.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
let's do the dance.
As I'm on my way.
Okay, let's do the dance.
It's the Rabadabang. Down is Rabadabang.
Laban tayo si Gabe Laga.
So nandito kami ngayon sa anong pangalan nito? Sanjun. Sanjun.
Sunmay because it's
Sanjun.
got it, Gerald.
I get it. Sanjun.
If you're going
Ganda.
here,
Pero dito meron din minsan black bear, brown bear. Diyan daw.
you should like
No, I get it.
the English word.
Mr. Student, I mean, if a student ever asks you, kind of thing,
Ba tayo?
Pana! Para siyang palayan lang. Where's the mouse? Parang inaantok yan.
Girl, you're
just the way you are.